Hello investors guys. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. My name is Dehan, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. The market is currently down about 1.01% here in the past 24 hours. We're seeing a slight pullback, obviously, as we are also seeing the similar type of move in the stock market as well. Here, the top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be IOTEX, which is up about 85.64% here, trading at 30 cents. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin at 40.2 billion volume, which is slightly larger than usual. 19.4 billion here on Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both down about 1%. Still trading here at highs. Bitcoin at 67,000, Ethereum at 4,700. We see all these other altcoins are either down 1 or 2% or up 2 or 3%. Obviously, Binance down 2%, Solana down 2%, so Ripple, Polkadot's down 4%, Doge down 4%. We have Cardano here in the green, almost 5%. Obviously, then we have some outliers down here like Litecoin, still up over 6%. We have some other ones down here. Stellar Lumens 9.7% higher. Filecoin is up 5%. Tron is up 4%. Ethereum Classic 3%. But we also have Crow, which is down about 10% here, as well as ICP down about 6% or so. So everything is kind of all over the place. We have some green, some red. It's a mixed market right now, but if we continue to see a pullback like this, it could be a buying opportunity, obviously, on the dip for altcoins that we're going to be looking forward to in the future. So, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below to let me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. Let's get into it. So, the first altcoin is going to be Aave. So, Aave right here. It is currently up about 3.91% here just in the past 24 hours, trading at $340 per coin. In the past week, this one is up about 4.8%, past month 11%, with a huge pop right here that we saw on October 27th, all the way up to about $458 at one point. In the past year, this coin is up over 408% from lows last year of about $51. Hit highs here in February at $529, pulled back down, consolidated throughout March and April, and then hit new highs here at $670 in May, with the pullback all the way to under $200 here in June. And then highs of over $400, so about a 100% upside here. We consolidated, pulled back down, consolidated again, and now we're having a little bit of a trend on up, waiting for it to break through that $400 area again and continue to push on higher and higher with potentially new highs. So market cap currently is going to be at around 4.5 billion. Volume is up 81% higher than usual at 504.5 million. Typical hold time is going to be 20 days. We see the trading activity down here at 45% buy and 55% sell activity, actually. So Aave is an Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized, non-custodial money market protocol where your users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. Now, how does all this work? Well, the Aave protocol facilitates the creation of lending pools. If you want to lend some of your crypto, you can deposit it into a pool. Anyone who wants to borrow deposited assets can draw from the Aave pool as long as they provide sufficient collateral. Now, to help users take advantage of arbitrage opportunities and maximize profits in the DeFi ecosystems, Aave allows providers flash loans. These loans require no collateral and are settled instantly. The condition is that the borrowed amount needs to be paid back within the same transactions, along with the 0.09% fee, or the whole process will be canceled and no funds are borrowed. Now, something to keep in mind: standard loans on Aave require collateral, like we just said, and you might be subject to added fees. For this reason, stablecoins are popular collateral options. Be sure to carefully read Aave's terms and conditions. So we're looking for more stablecoins for that type of situation. So Aave continues to go on higher here with a little bit of an uptrend in the past few weeks, and we're waiting for it to break through that $400 resistance. Once we break through that resistance, we have that gap up all the way to close to 500, and then after that, the 600 area to break through those all-time highs. So Aave is going to be our first altcoin on this list, guys. And then coming at the number 2 spot is going to be EOS. So right here, EOS in the past 24 hours, up almost 1% at 0.85, trading at $5.13. In the past week, we're up 9% on this one. Past month, 2.6%. And then on the 1 year chart, only 105%. Now, I do say only because Most of these other cryptos are exploding, hundreds and hundreds of percents in the past year. Meanwhile, EOS is definitely underperforming the market right now, only up 105% once again. So here it was trading at $2.50 last November. We saw highs here, obviously, in May at almost $15, which is about a 200% upside from the area that we're trading at right now, just to get to the all-time high area. We pulled back down to about $3.20 or so, came up to highs of $6.30, so over 100% profit was made right there from the lows to the highs in September, and now we've just been trading sideways here for a while, and we're waiting for the next leg up once again. So this coin has kind of been forgotten and kicked to the side. Current market cap, $4.9 billion. Volume is up 96% higher than usual at $2.3 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 22 days, 49% buy activity, and 51% sell activity. Now, EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with the new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees. Now, EOS claims to be able to support thousands of dApps without experiencing any negative network effects like high fees or slow confirmation times. Now, thanks to innovations like parallel processing, this may be appealing for commercial developers and financial institutions looking to adopt blockchain technologies for large-scale use cases. Now, the network's native token EOS is used to power transactions and applications on the blockchain and can be staked for a reward in a consensus model called Delegated Proof of Stake, DPoS. Now, something to keep in mind with this one is EOS was created to be easy for developers and end users to adopt, with a specific focus on pain points, faced by developers of blockchain applications today, particularly those of speed, scalability, and flexibility, and programming and design. So this coin has over 200% upside just to get to all-time highs, obviously, and that's the area that we're going to be looking forward to in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. So that would bring us to about a 15 billion market cap, obviously, on EOS, and that's the target that we're going to be setting for the next few years. So EOS coming in the number 2 spot, and then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Tezos XTZ right here. This one is actually negative 3% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $6.29. In the past week, we're trading flat, literally. And then on the 1-month chart, we're making a pullback here of 17%, with the high here in the 1 year of 192%. So last November, $2. We hit highs, obviously, here in May at $7.59. Pulled back down to lows down here of $2, and then from that $2 range, we shot up to highs of about $9 at one point, which gave us about a 300% upside from the low in July to the high here in the beginning of October. So 300%, which means if you would have invested $1,000 into Tezos in the summer, you would have made about $3,000 profit if you would have sold towards the top in October. And even if you would have sold right now, where we're at right now, you'd be up about almost 200%. So still decent gains. Market cap currently at $5.4 billion. Volume is up 19% at $272.3 million. Typical hold time is going to be 57 days, 61% buy activity, and 39% sell activity. Now, Tezos is a cryptocurrency and decentralized computing platform. Its features include proof of stake consensus, formal verification, and the ability to let stakeholders vote on changes to the protocol. Tezos block creation process is called baking. Tezos holders who stake their tokens can receive Tezos tokens as a reward for creating and verifying blockchains. So voting on proposed changes and upgrades on the protocol is conducted via the process called baking, in which users can lock up XTZ tokens to secure governance rights. Now, this process is a form of proof of stake. Now, bakers can also earn rewards for submitting proposals that are successfully implemented. Now, Tezos was among the first projects to incorporate Go fully decentralized, allowing token holders to vote on changes to the protocol that would automatically be integrated by a smart contract, drastically reducing the chances for disputes and hard forks. So definitely an interesting one once again. We're trading at those all-time highs with a slight pullback right now, waiting for the next leg up. Current market cap only $5 billion, like we said. So there's plenty of upside for growth. Only a $5 billion market cap. It has a lot of potential for the future. So Tezos is going to be number 3. Now, guys, after we've covered those 3 altcoins, we're going to be looking at the rest of the market, see how everything is performing. Like we said, first of all, Solana, one of the bigger coins that we cover, is trading at 240, down about 2.8%, still trading at highs. Dogecoin couldn't break through that 30 cents resistance, pulled back down 4.5%, trading at 27 cents. Shiba Inu continues to go on down 2.5% or so. Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours down about 1% from highs of 48,000 or 68,500. In the past week, we're up 5.5%, past month 21%, and then on the 1 year chart over 337%, making decent gains. Market cap currently at 1.3 trillion, 35% of the crypto market space right now covered by Bitcoin. Trading activity is going to be at 60% buy activity and 40% sell activity. Volume is still there, guys. It's booming on higher. Ethereum down about 1% as well from highs up here of about 4,842 or so. In the past week, we're up 3%, and then on the 1 month chart, 32%, 1 year chart, 950%. All we see is up, guys. So at any point here, if you would have bought, you would be literally up, at least something, unless you bought last night, pretty much. Right now, market cap 560.5 billion. 16% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. 67% buy activity and 33% sell activity. Volume is up 3.5% at 19.4 billion. So this coin, same as Bitcoin, taking a slight pullback, but we won't be surprised if we see another, leg on up in the next, couple of days. So guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about these cryptocurrencies that were talked about in this video? Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand that you're getting into a high risk, high reward type situation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.